Hello over there at Justice Electric Company. My name is Kimberly with Elite Roots Digital. I was doing some research in the area and came across your website and thought that I'd go ahead and shoot you this quick video to give you a couple of tips on how to beat out your competition. Now, and I don't want to waste your time and I don't want to waste my time either, so I'll keep this as short as I can. And if by the end of this video you like what you've heard and think that I could help you further with getting more leads, then feel free to give me a call or shoot me an email. Now, if not, no harm, no foul. Take these tips and use them for yourself. Now, the first thing I'd like to go over is your website, including content. Now, and as we scroll through this website, the first thing that kind of jumps out at me is that you've got this free estimates button, takes you to a form in your Contact Us page, and you've got a click to call button here. Those are two things that are absolutely great about your front page here. And as we scroll down, the thing that you're lacking is content. Google really likes to see 1,500 to 2,000 words on a main page like this of unique and keyword-rich content. So when I say keyword-rich, I mean keywords that you want to be ranked for when someone searches in Google. So you see over here I've got electrician Cedar Rapids. That's a big keyword in the area. So if on your website or even in some of these back pages, but especially on this main page, you have the words electrician Cedar Rapids plugged into a sentence or two here or there, that's really going to help get you ranked a little higher on a Google search page. And that can be for whatever keywords you want to be ranked for, whether it be commercial, residential, or just general, like this electrician Cedar Rapids keyword is. Now, those more generalized keywords are going to have more traffic, so those will get you a few more clicks into your website and hopefully generate more leads for you. Now, in content also is going to be these pictures, how these pictures are saved, and what's behind these pictures. Now, let's go ahead and see what you've got this one saved as. So if we look here, you've got it saved as download, so that's not really helping you much. A great thing to do with your photos is to have those saved as keywords themselves, and Google sees that and goes, oh, I like that. That's a keyword there. We'll go ahead and get you ranked for that. Alright, so the next thing I'd like to talk to you about is going to be citations. Now in citations, oops, I was down at the bottom of the page. The first thing that you'll see here in a Google search is going to be Google Ads. These are, of course, sorry, I'm tongue-tied there. These, of course, are going to be people that are paying Google to be at the very top of the page. And those are all per click. So these people are charged per time that someone clicks on that link. Now, as you scroll down here, we'll see this Google Maps section. Now, this is where citations come into play. And you guys are actually doing pretty darn good with this. You're up here on the second to the top spot. So that is absolutely great. You're doing good with citations. Now, and what is a citation? A citation is going to be your business name, phone number, and address as it's listed here in directories across the web. Now, and there's hundreds of directories out there. You just got to be able to find them. Which you've obviously done fairly good at being up here in close to the top spot. So as we scroll down here, the next thing I'd like to talk about is backlinks, and that has a lot to do with ranking in this Google organic search section. Now, to talk more about backlinks, I'm going to jump over to a tool here I like to use called Ahrefs. Sorry, I didn't have that queued up there. Alright, so as we look here, we're going to see that you have 33 referring domains giving you 108 backlinks. Now, and if we click into these referring domains, we're going to see where those are coming from, and as I expected, they are a lot of directories. So your citations kind of help you in this area as well, but they still are not going to give you a really strong backlink. Not all backlinks are created equal. It's kind of like a popularity contest. So if you are, if you've got a backlink coming from say a news station saying Justice Electric did this and this and this, or maybe you were helping out in a time of need and you got a news article on you about it, and that's going to be a really strong, really powerful backlink that's really going to help you get a little bit of a stronger website. Now, and of course, the more backlinks, the better, but those strong backlinks are really what's going to push you forward above your competition. And when we come over here and look at our organic keywords, that's kind of where what we were talking about earlier on your website. That's where keywords kind of come into play, and we'll get to that in just a second. I want to actually jump over and compare your backlinks and domains and referring domains to the top competition in the area, which is Dependable Electric, which seems to be more just in the residential area at least, so maybe not as much commercial, but they are ranked top in this more generalized keyword, electrician Cedar Rapids. So if we look, they have fewer referring domains than you, but they have a lot more backlinks within those referring domains. And they have a few more keywords than you. So those few things grouped together are kind of what's helping kick them up into that higher position within a Google search, especially having these keywords. Now, if we click into their keywords, we're going to see Electrician Cedar Rapids, volume 350, so 350 times that keyword has been searched in a given month, and they're in position 3, giving them 48 clicks to their website. If we jump over to you, let's go to your keywords here. You've got 15 keywords, and if we come back down to this Electrician Cedar Rapids, the same keyword, volume 350 of course, you are in position 25. So that actually puts you clear back on the 3rd page of Google, and it's not even getting you a click per month. It's getting you 1 click every 3 months or so to your website for that keyword search, of course. Now, and if you look up here to what you've got the most traffic coming from, that's just your business name, Justice Electric, on your main page. So that's where a lot of your website traffic is coming from, just your name, which is awesome, but you're missing out on so much traffic here with Electricians and Electrician Cedar Rapids, Iowa. Both have a volume of 350, and you're on the 3rd page for both of those. If we can get you up into that top spot for this keyword, that's going to actually get you about 1/3 of this total volume and really put you at the top. So you're missing out on 100 and so clicks to your website. 100 and so clicks to your website for both of these that you're missing out on. How many leads could you get from that many clicks, and how many jobs would you actually land out of those leads that you're missing out on because you aren't ranking higher up in the positions for those keyword terms? And how do you get ranked higher in those keyword terms? Well, it's definitely a combination of things. First thing is really getting those backlinks, really building up the strength of your website. That's really going to help. But then in that website itself, making sure that we find those keywords on this main page and on these other pages as well is going to get you ranked higher for that keyword, whether it be this Electrician Cedar Rapids that you want to rank for, or another keyword that maybe relates a little bit more to commercial work. Either is going to be just fine. Now, and I will tell you that this more general keyword does have more volume, so it's going to get more clicks to your site. But if that's not the type of jobs that you're looking for, then maybe you don't want to rank for that one. And that's something that we'd have to discuss if I was to help you any further, of course, is exactly what direction you're wanting to go with your business and your website. But for now, this is all I have for you today. I really hope that you found all of this information helpful, and I hope that you can take it and use it for yourself, or as I said earlier in the video, please give me a call, contact me, and let me know if I can help you succeed in some of these areas that we've talked about. My name again is Kimberly, and my phone number is 319-600-6189. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.